if 1 plus 1 minus 2 square into 1 plus 1 minus 4 square into 3 plus 1 minus 6 square into 5. It is not a point here, it is a into. Okay, 2 square into 1, 4 square into 3, 6 square into 5 and so on. 1 minus 20 square into 19 is equal to alpha minus 220 beta. Then an ordered pair alpha beta is equal to what here? 4 options are there. Okay. Consider this sum as S here. S is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 square into 1 plus 1 minus 4 square into 3 plus 1 minus 6 square into 5 plus dash plus 1 minus of 20 square into 19 here. Okay, take this sum as yes here. Okay, then this is equal to 1 plus here. Here we can take a summation of total. These are 10 terms here. 2, 4, 6 and so on 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and total these are 10 terms here. Therefore you can write this one as 2r here because 2r. Put r is equal to 1 here, it gives 2. Put r equal to 2, we get 4. Put r equal to 3, we get 6. Put r is equal to 10, we get 20 here. Therefore we can write here 1, even here also 1, so write here 1 minus of. This is 2r. 2r, it's a square here. 2r square, and here it gives 2r minus 1 here. 2r minus 1. Here r is equal to 1 to 10 here. R is equal to 1 to 10. Okay. So 2r whole square gives this 2 square, 4 square. Otherwise I can't just observe here. You can use this formula also. Tn is equal to what here? A plus n minus 1 into dn. Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on up to 20 here. Okay, 2, 4, 6 up to 20. Therefore a is equal to 2 here. And the difference is 2. And the total number of 10 terms is 10 here. Therefore apply here. T10 is equal to a value is 2 here. So write 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d value is 2 here. So write 2. Therefore 2 plus 10 minus 1 becomes 9 into 2 here. Therefore 2 plus 9 to 18, then 20. So 20. Therefore 10th term is 20. 10th term is 20. Therefore we can take here a plus means a value 2 here, then plus n minus 1 into d value 2 here. Therefore 2 plus n into 2 becomes 2n minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 get cancels. Remaining is what here? 2 here. Here we are taking r here, so it becomes 2r. So similarly 1, 3, 5, 19 is there. So 1, 3, 5 and so on up to 19. In this case a value is 1 here and d value is 2. Therefore Tn is equal to, again is the same formula. A value is 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 here. Therefore 1 plus n into 2 becomes 2n minus 1 into is the minus here. Hence 2n, 1 minus 2 gives what here? Minus 1 here. So 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20 it gives 2n. So 2n means 2r. We are taking r here. Even you can take n also. Okay, if you want to take n, you can take n also. No problem. So here you take n. And here 1, 3, 5 up to 19 here. 1, 3, 5 up to 19. It is 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 1. Each term square is there. So we are taking a square. Okay. Therefore this is equal to 1 plus here total 10 terms are there. Okay, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here also 1. Total these are 10 times 1. Therefore, write here 10. Then the minus of summation n is equal to 1 to 10 here. Then this becomes 4n square into 2n. 4 2s are 8. 8 n cube here minus. Then 2n 4n square into 1 becomes 4n square here. 4n square. Therefore, this is equal to 10 plus 1 becomes 11 here. It becomes 11 into bracket 8 into. You know this formula, summation of n cube. Okay. So summation of n cube is equal to what here? N square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 here. Okay. Therefore, here n is equal to 1 to 10 here. Put n equal to 10 here. Therefore, 8 keep as it is 10 square. 10 plus 1, it's a square divided by 4 here. Okay. Then minus 4 keep as it is here. And you know summation of n square formula. Summation of n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. This is the formula. Okay, n equal to 1 to 10 here. So put n equal to 10. Therefore 10 plus 1 2 into 10 plus 1 divided by 6 here. Divided by 6, so bracket complete here. Okay. Then 4 ones are 4 twos are cancels here. Therefore this equal to 11 minus of. Then 2 into 10 square is 100. 10 plus 1 11 here. 11 square. Therefore what written 10 square as it is here into 11 square. Then minus. You can cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are. Therefore 2 into 10 into 11. 10 twos are 20 plus 1 21 divided by 3. Divided by 3. Therefore this is equal to 11 minus of 2 into 10 square into 11 square. Then 3 ones are 3 sevens are cancels here. 3 ones are 3 sevens are cancels. So minus of 2 into 10 into 11 into 7. Here you can take a common factor in the bracket here. 11 minus 2 is a common factor here. 10 also common factor. And 11 also common factor. Then remaining here 10 into 11. So 10 into 11 minus. Here 2, 10, 11. 2, 10, 11. Common factor here. Then remaining is 7 here. Okay. Therefore 11 minus of 10 to the 20. 20 into 11 are 220 here. 220 into 10 into 11, 110 here. 110 minus of 7 here. It gives 3, 103 here. So it gives 103 here. Therefore, equate this with this result here. So alpha minus of 220 into beta here. Therefore, obviously, in this case, alpha is equal to what here? 11. Alpha is equal to 11 and beta is equal to 103 here. Beta is equal to 103. Therefore, here third option is correct here. So alpha comma beta is equal to 11 comma 103. Third option is correct here. Select A1, A2, A3 dash 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 AN be given AB. Because the common difference is an integer. Common difference is an integer. and Sn is equal to A1, A2, A1 plus A2 plus A3 dash 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 An. If A1 is equal to 1, An is equal to 300 and n is in between 15 and 50 years, then the ordered pair Sn minus 4 comma An minus 4 is equal to 4 options are there. Here they given these are in APF. Therefore, use the formula An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into Tn. Here An is a 300, they already given here. So therefore 300 is equal to A1 is 1 here plus n minus 1 into Tn. Take one this side here, 300 minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into Dn. And a cross multiplier, yes, D is equal to 300 minus 1 becomes 299 divided by n minus 1 here. 299 divided by n minus 1 and it is an integer here. Okay, here this is an integer. This is an integer here. Therefore, if a difference is an integer, then obviously this denominator must be. Therefore, n minus 1 must be either plus 1 or minus 1 here. Or it is here, even you can take 299 as a 13 into 23 divided by n minus 1 here. It is an integer. Okay, here this is the integer. When it is a possible, either it is a plus 1 or minus 1 or plus or minus 13 here. Plus or minus 13 or plus or minus 23 or plus or minus 299. Okay, because here complete this term is integer. If it is integer, this must be plus 1 or minus 1. It gives 299. Suppose if it is a plus 13 or minus 13, then this is a remaining term. This is an integer. If it is a plus or minus 23, this denominator is a plus or minus 23, 23 cancels, remaining this one, this is an integer. Otherwise, n minus 1 is a plus or minus 299. Therefore, product is 299, 299 cancels, remaining plus 1 or minus 1, plus 1 or minus 1, again it is an integer. Okay, therefore, if this is an integer, the product or this division or this total term is integer. When it is possible, when this denominator is plus 1 or minus 1, or this denominator plus 13 or minus 13, or this denominator plus 23 or minus 23, or this denominator plus 299 or minus 299. If you take a minus 1 right hand side, what happens here? 1 minus 1 becomes a 0, or minus 1 plus 1 becomes a 2. And take one this side here. 13 minus plus 1 becomes a 14 here. So 14 minus 13 plus 1 gives a minus of 12 here. Minus 12. Okay? Here take a minus 1 this side here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Or 1 minus 1 becomes plus 1 here. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes a 0. So similarly, take a 1 this side here. 23 plus 1 becomes a 24. Or minus 23 plus 1 becomes a minus 22. Then take a minus 1 this side here. 299 plus 1 becomes a 300 here. 300. Minus 299 plus 1 minus of 298 here. Minus 298. But they already given n is in between minus 59 plus 50 here. But 15 is less than or equal to n is less than or is equal to 50. Then obviously only this number here. Only this number 24 in between 15 and 50 here. Therefore, n must be is equal to plus 24 here. Okay, so n is equal to 24. N is equal to 24. Okay. Then n equal to 24. Then substitute here. Then d is equal to what? 13. Therefore, d is equal to 13 into 23 divided by 24 minus 1 here. 24 minus 1, 23, 23 cancels. Remaining is what here? 30. Remaining is 30. Now you find s n minus 4 here. S n minus 4 is equal to, here n value is 24 here. So s of 24 minus 4, that is equal to s 20 here. S 20. And you know this formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into dn. Use this formula. Here n is what? 20 here. Put n equal to 20. 20 divided by 2 here. 20 by 2 into bracket. And first term a1 is 1 here. Therefore 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus. Then n is 20 here. So 20 minus 1 into d. d is 13 here. So right here 13. Bracket complete here. Okay. Actually n24 you not use that n here. Okay. In apply model because here we want n minus 4 here. N value is 24. 24 minus 4 becomes 20. Yes, 20 means use this formula. Now n becomes 20 here. 20 divided by 2. Then 2 into a. First term is 1 here. Therefore write here 2 into 1 plus 20 minus 1 into d value is this 13 here. Therefore this gives so simplify, you will get 2490 here. 2490. Just simplify it. You get this value. Similarly, here find here this one a n minus 4 here. A n minus 4 is equal to a24 minus 4 here. It gives a of 20. A20. And you know this formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into dn. Therefore first term is this 1 here. So write here 1. Then plus. And n becomes 20 here. 20 minus 1. And the d value is this 13. So right here 13 here. 1 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 13. That is equal to, so simplify we get 248 here. 248. Therefore here the correct option is first one here. Yes, n minus 4 is 2490. n minus 4 is 248. Therefore, first option is correct.